If you want to rank on Google without building a single backlink, without buying links, and without paying for expensive tools, watch this all the way through. Because I spent years chasing links that never moved the needle. Then I found a faster way, and it works on brand new domains. Here's the promise. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take a brand new website with no links and no authority and rank it on Google for real buyer searches. Some of these pages rank in 24 hours. All of them rank without a single backlink. My name's Vlad. I'm an SEO and AI operator just like you. I've been building and ranking content sites for about 10 years, and I teach it to 26,000 subscribers on YouTube. But for the longest time, I believed the same lie everyone else did. The lie was simple. To rank, you need backlinks. So I chased them. I wrote guest posts for links. I bought links from a guy online. I did cold outreach every single morning for months. I chased domain rating like it was a credit score. And none of it compounded. I'd spend a month earning links and the rankings would barely move. Every win felt rented, never owned. I was doing the hard thing, the expensive thing, and it just wasn't working. So here's what nobody selling you link building wants to admit. Google doesn't rank domains, it ranks pages. A single page can rank if it answers the search better than anything else, even on a website with zero authority. The backlink obsession is a story that sells agencies. And the data backs it up. Ahrefs studied 1 billion pages. 66% of them have zero backlinks. Zero. Links aren't the price of entry. Most pages that fail don't fail for lack of links. They fail because they targeted the wrong search in the first place. So I stopped chasing authority and started chasing something I call the search gap. A search gap is a question real people are typing into Google that nobody has answered well yet. You don't beat them on links, you beat them on the answer. And on a fresh domain, that is the whole game. Sure, here we go. I packaged the full system into a community called the Search Gap Method. It's where I teach the exact way to rank a fresh domain in 24 hours. 206 people are inside right now. But before I tell you about it, let me actually teach you the method, for free, right here. Here's what this gives you. You rank your own website, which means the traffic you build is yours to keep, compounding month after month, instead of disappearing the day a client walks away. You stop spending money on links, so that every dollar and every hour goes into the one thing Google actually rewards, which is answering the search better than the next page. The method works in days, not months, giving you the speed to test 10 ideas in the time it used to take to earn one backlink, and then double down on the winners. And you can do all of this without ever having to learn complicated technical SEO, hire an agency, or touch a backlink. If you can follow a checklist, you can rank a page. So, let me give you the whole method in 6 moves. Find the search gap, get indexed fast, nail your page itself, build the signals that replace backlinks, add the small business edge, then feed it with content. Let's walk through every one. Step 1. Find the gap, and you don't need a paid tool. Type your topic into Google and read the autocomplete. Scroll to people also ask. Open the related searches at the bottom. Then check Search Console for queries you already show up for on page 2. Those long, specific questions with weak answers are your list. Step 2. Get indexed fast, because a page that isn't crawled can't rank. Submit your sitemap in Search Console. Use the URL inspection tool and request indexing on every new page. Then link to it from a page Google already crawls often, like your homepage. That alone can get you indexed the same day with no backlinks. Step 3. Your page itself is where you win without links. Put the exact phrase people search into your title and your first heading. Answer the question in the first 2 sentences before anything else. Then cover every related subtopic on the same page, so you become the most complete answer. Give it a clean structure and match what's already ranking. Step 4. These are the signals that do the job backlinks used to. Topical authority, which means covering a whole subject, not one stray article. Internal links between your related pages, passing relevance around your own site. Matching search intent, keeping content fresh, and showing real experience so Google trusts the source. Step 5, and this is where small businesses have an unfair advantage. You don't need national authority to win local and specific searches. Claim your Google business profile. Name your city and your service in your titles. Be the most specific answer for your exact niche. This is a brand new local site I ranked with no backlinks at all. Step 6. Feed the site with content built in clusters. Pick one topic and write every angle of it, all linked together. Lead every post with the answer, not a long intro. Refresh your best pages every few months. And put the content where your audience already is so it earns traffic on day one, not just from search. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They build links before they've even checked if the page answers the search. They write first and research second, and they quit at week 3, right before Google settles the ranking. Do the 6 moves in order, and you skip all 3. And it's not just Google. I searched my own brand and found a page with 0 backlinks getting cited by Perplexity over the big established brands. So I reverse engineered why and published the whole experiment. Relevance won, authority lost. That is the proof the method works, even in AI search. Now, if you want to go faster, here's what's inside the community. The flagship Rank in 24 Hours course, the Vibe SEO system for scaling articles, 7 multimedia article templates, the local SEO academy, and 7 rapid ranking methods. Sold separately, this is easily a few $1,000s of training. And you won't pay a few thousand. You won't pay $500. You won't even pay $100. The whole thing is $27 a month, and you can cancel anytime. That's less than most people waste on one bad backlink. On top of the courses, you get the bonuses. Bonus 1 is the template pack. 7 multimedia article templates where you drop in your topic and get a page that's built to rank out of the box. No staring at a blank screen. Bonus 2 is the room itself. 206 operators all running the same method, posting their rankings and answering questions. When you get stuck, you're not alone with the YouTube comment section. You're in a room of people who've already done it. And there's no risk. It's month to month. If it's not for you, you cancel with 2 clicks, and you keep everything you learned. I'd rather you join, use it, and stay because it works than lock you into anything. That's the whole deal. Here's the only real reason to start now. A search gap is only open until someone fills it. Every week you wait, more people discover these queries and publish for them. The method still works, but the easy gaps are the ones nobody's answered yet. So the best day to claim one was yesterday. So, if you want the full playbook, the templates, the courses, and the room, the link is right below this video. Click it, join for $27, and you'll be inside in about a minute. Then pick one search gap and ship your first page tonight. I'll see you inside. So here's everything you get when you click that link. The Rank in 24 Hours course, the Vibe SEO system, the 7 article templates, the local SEO academy, the 7 rapid ranking methods, and 206 operators in the room with you. All of it for $27 a month. Click the link and I'll see you inside.